Hey there! So, quick question. Do you feel like you have to spend hours studying French to make progress and then you feel guilty because you don't have time? You're busy, you're tired, and the idea of studying feels overwhelming? Well, I've got good news. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can really improve your French with just 15 minutes a day. Yep, 15, but done the right way. Let's go. Part 1. The myth of long study sessions. We've all heard this before. If you want to get better, you have to work hard and study for hours. But let's be honest, you don't always have time. You don't always have energy. And sometimes after 30 or 40 minutes, your brain is just done. You read something but nothing sticks. You listen to French and nothing goes in. That's not your fault. The problem isn't how long you study, it's how regularly you study. Part 2. Why 15 minutes is enough if done right. When you study for just 15 minutes a day, something amazing happens. You train your brain every day, so you forget less. You stay connected to the language, even without immersion. You build a real habit, and that is the secret to success. It's not about doing a lot once in a while. It's about doing a little consistently. Part 3. The 3-block method. 5 plus 5 plus 5. So, what can you actually do in 15 minutes? Here's a simple method I give my students. Split your time into 3 blocks of 5 minutes. Block 1. 5 minutes of input. Watch a short video in French. Listen to part of a podcast. Read a short text you've already seen. Goal: expose your brain to French without stress. Block 2. 5 minutes of active practice. Answer 2-3 questions. Write 2-3 simple sentences. Repeat or reformulate what you heard. Goal: start using the language, not just seeing it. Block 3. 5 minutes of review. Go over 5 useful words. Review a grammar point, but in context. Look at a mistake you often make. Goal: consolidate what you already learned. That's it, just 15 minutes, but structured. Part 4. What if you miss a day? Listen, missing one day won't ruin anything. The key is not to be perfect. The key is to come back. If you miss a day or 2, just start again. No guilt, no drama, just keep going. Learning a language is not a sprint. It's a long-distance game. Be kind to yourself. Part 5. Example of a 1-week plan. Let me give you a super simple example. Monday. Vocabulary: 5 words on a topic like health. Tuesday. Watch a video plus write 3 keywords. Wednesday. Practice writing, short answer or sentence. Thursday. Review a grammar structure. Friday. Quiz yourself on the week's content. Weekend. Watch a film, listen to music, or rest. See, no pressure, no burnout, but consistent contact with French. Conclusion: so yes, you can improve with just 15 minutes a day. The secret is not the time, it's the strategy. Be consistent, be kind to yourself, and follow a smart, simple method. If you liked this approach, you can subscribe to the channel or check out my platform for Delf, where I share more ideas, activities, and custom routines. Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer short sessions every day or longer study blocks once a week? Thanks for watching and keep going. You're doing great.